Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special in store for you. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey as we take our drone on an early morning flight over the mesmerizing calm ocean from Negros Oriental towards the rising sun over Cebu Island and back, ending by featuring a new resort right on the boulevard in Tanhay. Let's dive right in. First things first, let me set the scene for you. We're about to witness the beauty of the Philippine Islands. Let me be clear, even if you have been here before, the drone perspective always amazes me. In fact, I rented an apartment right on this oceanfront street and have never seen this view before this drone flight. Join us while our drone will be soaring low over the calm ocean, capturing the stunning landscape and pristine waters that make this country so breathtaking. Flying a drone over the ocean comes with its own challenges and will be pushing the limits of battery life as we venture far from the shores of Negros Oriental towards the vibrant Cebu Island. How far do you think we'll get before we have to turn around? As we wrap up our adventure, let's be thankful for a beautiful Sunday morning flight in the Philippine Islands. The drone provided an amazing perspective of a known area, and the aerial footage has provided us with a unique perspective that few get to experience. Before we sign off, I want to encourage you to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures of our retired life in the Philippines. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling us your favorite part of today's flight. And remember, if there is somewhere you think we should be exploring with our drone, please also leave this in the comments. Let's end this video with a view of Condes Resort where we spent the night. A very reasonably priced room right on Lawton Boulevard in Tanjay City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.
Landing.